In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate work with approval requests in Smartsheet. We're going to walk through setting up an automated approval workflow so that instead of chasing people in email or chat, Smartsheet will send approval requests for you whenever certain conditions are met on your sheet. Start by opening the Smartsheet where you want this automation to run. At the top of the screen, look for the automation menu in the toolbar. Click on Automation to open the Automation panel. This is where all your workflows live and where you can create new ones. In that panel, choose the option to create a workflow from a template. Smartsheet provides several pre-built templates, which saves time and helps you follow best practices. From the list of templates, look for the one called Request an Approval when specified criteria are met. This template is designed exactly for what we want. Sending an approval request as soon as a row meets certain rules. Click on that option and then confirm by clicking Use Template. Smartsheet will now open the workflow editor, already pre-filled with the basic structure of an approval process. The first thing you need to define is a trigger. The trigger tells Smartsheet when to start this workflow. Click on the trigger section and choose how and when the automation should run. For example, you might want it to run when rows are added or changed, or when a specific field is updated. Think about the moment in your process when it makes sense to ask for approval and select the trigger that matches that. Next, you'll choose which field Smartsheet should watch. In this case, select your status column as the field. This is important because the approval request will be based on this field's value. For instance, you might want the workflow to fire when status changes to pending approval or ready for review. Using a dedicated status field keeps your process clean and easy to manage. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts in the workflow editor. You'll be guided to set the condition for the status field, choose who should receive the approval request, and customize the message they'll see. Take a moment to make the subject and body of the request clear so approvers immediately understand what they're reviewing. Once everything looks good, go to the upper or lower corner of the workflow window and click Save. This activates your automation. From now on, whenever your defined criteria are met, Smartsheet will automatically send out the approval request, helping you keep work moving forward without manual follow-up.